Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really special video because I might be getting, so basically I went on Sims to record the new Let's Play and I realised that all the expansion packs, game packs and stuff packs are all on sale. I'm not sure why. I think maybe because it's half term soon. And yeah, and also my dad says that they will originally put them on sale if something brand new comes out, and hackers and people have been saying that there might be something new coming out, like to do with magic and witches, which I'm not sure I would get because I don't know, I feel like Sims is quite realistic and you want it to stay like quite family and stuff, which is why I realised that all the game packs are on, one stuff pack is on, and all the expansion packs are on, but I've got 3 of them apart from Get to Work, which I need to install. But yeah, so I decided that I wanted to get the Romantic Garden set, the stuff pack, which is £5, because it was originally £9.99. And then I was like, well, there's not much I can do, not much gameplay I can do. It's just mainly stuff I can add. Like there's 2 hairstyles for kids, and like one female, one male, and then there's 2 adults hair, one female, one male. So it's kind of, and then there's like the wishing well, and washing well, I don't know. And I was just like, that's not much. I want a little bit more, and I want a little bit more gameplay. Then I realized my favorite is game pack. Apart from all the expansion packs, obviously, but the next one I've been wanting for a long time is Parenthood, and I was gonna get it last year, but it didn't come. So I was a little bit upset about that because of this code and stuff from Amazon. But it was like my game was in a CD, so it's harder and stuff. But now I have Origin and it's on Origin. I can just click a button and I'll just have to put the money and stuff in my mum's account, pay her back, and then boom, it starts going. And then once it'll update it, and then all my custom points are on. Only my hair's though and stuff. But yeah, that is basically what I'm doing, and it was originally £18 and it's on sale for £18 to sale for £13.49, I think. But that's a really good deal, and I just thought, because on Origin I was looking at it, and my mum says I can get it, one that's on sale. I still have Christmas money, so even if I don't want my mum to pay for it, so I'm gonna pay for it. Like, it's good because it's on sale, so I can pay for it. It's cheaper. So yeah, so I like £50 left from Christmas, but it's February now. But yeah, I thought we'd get started to get into this by watching the 2 no, not this one. I'll put trailer. The trailer, and then here's the official trailer, and then there's another one where it shows you like how to get to it and stuff. Obviously everyone loves Parenthood and stuff, and I just love like the stuff that comes with Parenthood. Here's this one, I think it is, yeah, the official gameplay trailer. I think everyone loved it when they first came out. Everyone got Parenthood because it was like the best thing that's happened. Like, it's kind of like Generations. When I got Sims 3 and I got given loads of expansion packs, I got really excited because I got Generations, and Generations was the best because you could do loads of parenting. Not as much as you can do in The Sims 4 because they have a parenting skill, but you could tell them off, give them curfews. I just forgot about the curfew board. Yes. Sorry, I love Parenthood. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with the official trailer. I love the music in it. So if you see me miming it, you can't hear it, but because I'm using a different screen recorder than I use for my Let's Plays, because this one has a fast cam. Yeah. But yeah, if you see me miming it, then you'll know, but you guys can't hear it, which is good for copyright. I'll just put music over in the background. So yeah, it's not loaded, but the music is starting. Oh, okay, I'm gonna pause it. I don't think you guys can still see me. I think you can. I don't know. You can't. Oh yeah, you can. You can. Okay, good. I'm gonna play it from here, so I can make sure. Okay, let's start again. So yeah. I will slow it down in a minute to show you guys. Not bad. That mirror. I love this bit, it's so cute. I love that. Oh my god, the projects! Oh, look at that! That's amazing! Oh my god, that is like, oh! I kind of like that addition where they can fast and oh, you could set the table. I completely forgot. Shape your Sims childhood. Personalize your household. Enjoy new family stuff with the. Oh, you can tuck them into bed. Okay, I love that. So obviously this did come out a while ago, and the trailer came in May, but the actual yeah, it was released in May. It was a while. Don't go on deliberately. I'm gonna watch that afterwards, guys. I am. But yeah, I will go back and just clip a few bits. So first thing you can see, I'm gonna move you guys over in the corner here so you can see a little bit easier. So here we have, you can see the parents. So this is all new stuff here. The shoes are, but I know what this outfit is. Oops. And you can see the little girls, a little. Oh, that hair's new. I love that hair. The toddler's making a mess, and she's telling her off to not do it. That shower's new. I like that shower. Sorry, it's been a good. It's a bit. And so you have acne, which I think is quite realistic for the Sims, because in real life, like teens and stuff have like spots. In America, they call it acne, or we call them spots in the UK. But yeah, a lot of like people at my school, because obviously it's high school, get spots and stuff. So I think that's really realistic. And like when I make a teen, I'm so gonna put like, they have a load of like, you can do like select the outfits, and you can do on one day they could have loads of acne, the other day they could have like one little acne on the chin, and then another day they could have a little spot, like a couple spots on the face. Like I think that's really realistic. So Sims are really like, yeah, because it goes over. Oh, and this is a project that you can make, and this is as well. And you can either work sloppily or easier. That's new hair. I'm very excited about hair. There's sorry, it's really glitchy. Okay, it's glitched out a bit, but yeah, that's basically it. I'm not going to show it anymore because it's glitching a little bit. Like, I'm going to go on to the gameplay actual one where it tells you, I think this one's like, yeah, this one's a little bit longer, 2 minutes, but I'm just going to click on that. You can't hear us. I didn't know the little things, toddlers can actually birth or anything. That's cool. Oh yeah. I'm very excited because they can have phases. I completely forgot. When I get excited about something, I forget about everything in the game pack apart from like a little thing. Like they can buy some stuff. That's so cool. They can get phases. Like the teens and the childs can get phases. Oh, they can make a mess as well. Oh, you can have the grandma. Yeah, that's a sloppy version, but that's the good one. Apart from the twins, I've seen this before. Ow. That top's really exciting to have. Ooh. Yeah, and you can ground them, I forgot. Oh, I love that when they walk like, and they go, chores! Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, you get these up, don't you? I can't wait to see like the styled looks and stuff. That is so cool. Oh gosh, no, we're not going to be doing that. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, super excited to actually get this game up. I'm going to be watching a lot more Parenthood on my laptop in a minute. But yeah, and my mum just said, I told her before, tea, and we've had tea. She told me to give her a little bit of time because she's in a bit of work. I don't really mind as long as I get it up tonight. I'm so excited. So you might be wondering, is it going to be a Let's Play, and all that? Yes, there was going to be a new Let's Play. As soon as I download it, I'm going to start launching Sims up and start recording because it's going to be like 40 minutes, but yeah, I don't really care. I'm super excited for my reactions of myself. You're not going to see my face, obviously, but you're going to hear my reactions. I'm very excited. I haven't actually used my microphone. That's funny. Yeah, if you want to know what I use to get louder on my screen recorder is just the bit there. So yeah, I'm really excited. And yeah, so that's basically what I'm going to do. There's going to be a lot of Parenthood stuff up tonight, as you will see, and that just come along and watch the super exciting. Hopefully my mum definitely will get it. If I don't, I'm just angry. But I will do anything to get it. I'll literally do chores all weekend if it means to get Sims Parenthood tonight, because we are definitely not going to be having bad manners unless we decide to have a teenager boy or girl who have bad manners and they grow up to be a disgusting bad manners sim and they go into a disgusting apartment. But we're definitely going to have good raised kids, so I don't want that. And yeah, obviously the parents are going to be looking a little bit older. They're not going to be adults, they're going to be young adults, but they're going to look a little bit more, because the Let's Play I'm doing now are actually the parents are quite young and they look really not pretty, but they are pretty, but they look a little bit young for children, but still they have children. So I want them to look a bit more sophisticated and ready for kids, even though I'm going to make them with kids. Yeah, so definitely come along, enjoy. And what's going to happen with the Let's Play I just started yesterday, I'm not going to carry on with it, unfortunately. I will be doing it on my own time. I might not be. I'll probably carry on with it my own time, but I didn't realise I was getting it to end of the game pack tonight. So because I don't want to do 3 Let's Plays at a time, I'm going to do 2 Let's Plays. The one I'm doing right now, Generations, which I'm gonna change the name, don't worry, because then it'd be a little bit weird finding Generations and Parenthood, 2 different things. Yeah, I'm gonna change the name. I'm gonna think of a name, but the new one is gonna be called Parenthood, which is gonna be out tonight. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and tell me in the comments how excited you are. Are you excited as me to see my reaction? Bye.